Which we hit first? That's Frank. Frank is my pet turkey. He just hangs out up here at the property. And then we have that laptop, which has been giving me grief. Windows Vista. Which one first?
Turkey.
In the body or the head?
Head.
We'll do the body. That was a fragmentation round with the M4 carbine. Now what do you want me to hit?
Laptop.
Laptop keys. Coming up, bud. So the fragmentation round, 2, 2, 3, doesn't just punch a little hole, it takes pieces out of your body. That means it's good for your home defense system. I think there's one more frag round in here, and then they're just full metal jackets. We'll just pop like what, 3 rounds? I hope that doesn't come back at us. All right, ready? Especially by this propane tank. You ready? Shotgun time. 2 nitro, magnum shells. What was it? It was like 100, 200 BBs. I don't know what number they were. All the neighbors are pissed. We'll do the shotgun. Or laptop. Ringing. I like these rounds. I'm getting more of these, man. Got it. Alright, so this is what's left. I'm going to be sending this back to Toshiba. I'm going to tell them that I turned on my laptop and I think it's defective. It's just not running right. And we'll see what they say. Yeah, give them a box of this.